What's the meaning of archaeopteryx? Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx.
Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a term used to describe a genus of extinct birds that lived during the late Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago. The name comes from the combination of two Greek words, archaeos, meaning ancient or primitive, and pteryx, meaning feather or wing. Archaeopteryx is known for its combination of bird-like features, such as feathers and wings, and reptilian features, like teeth and a long tail. It is considered a transitional fossil, providing evidence for the evolution of birds from reptiles.